Welcome to VEDHA online classes. VEDHA online classes is providing the live online tuitions for intermediate CBSE, EAMCET, IIT-JEE, BITSAT. If you want the good marks in these exams, then please like and share with your friends and subscribe and activate the bell icon for getting the all notifications from our VEDHA online classes. Okay, so trigonometry ratios up to transformations, important short answer questions, 4 marks questions. If tan theta is equals to b by a, then prove that a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta is equals to a. Okay, so here, what is given, ma? What is given here? Tan theta is equals to b by a. Okay, so what we can write the tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but we can write it as sin theta divided by cos theta is equals to b by a. By cross multiplication, a sin theta is equals to b cos theta. B cos theta. Keep it like that. And now take the LHS. Take the LHS. What is LHS here? LHS I am taking as a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta. This is the LHS. Okay, we have to prove that this is equal to a. Okay, now a into cos 2 theta writing as is, b into sin 2 theta, can we write it as 2 sin theta into cos theta? It is a direct formula, sin 2 theta formula, sin 2 theta formula. Okay, here we know that a sin theta is equal to b cos theta. Okay, so a into cos 2 theta plus writing the 2 sin theta together, b cos theta together. So b cos theta we can replace with a sin theta. Okay, so this is equal to a into cos 2 theta plus 2 sin theta writing as is, b cos theta right. Okay, so replaced with a sin theta, a sin theta. Okay, since from equation 1, since from equation 1. Okay, so and here we used the formula sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so now if you multiply sin theta into sin theta, we are getting sin square theta, and cos 2 theta also we have the formula in terms of cos sin, only sin, only cos. Okay, apply the formula whatever we have in terms of sin, complete sin. Okay, so we can write it as a into cos 2 theta. Okay, so a into cos 2 theta we can write it as 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta plus 2a sin theta into sin theta sin square theta plus 2a sin square theta. Okay, so now multiply here. A one time is a minus 2a sin square theta plus 2a sin square theta. Okay, here we can cancel this 2a sin square theta to a sin square theta. Okay, so what we are going to get here, this is equals to a. Is it the required RHS? What we have to prove? We have to prove that it is equal to the RHS, that is a. Okay, so this is only the required answer. Okay, hence prove. Okay, so here what formula we used here? Cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Remember the cos 2 theta formula? This is one of the most important formula. Repeatedly, we use this and various different forms. Okay, in terms of sin, in terms of cos, in terms of both. Okay, and half angle formula. Okay, so like that. Do you have a dream of scoring up to 75 by 75 in intermediate maths of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh? Do you want the pass guarantee intensive classes or videos? Do you want to learn the mathematics from zero to hero level? Then this is the right place for you. Please like, share, subscribe our VEDHA online classes. Prove that 1 plus cos pi by 10 plus into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10 is equals to 1 by 16. 1 by 16. Okay. So here what we have the values now, cos pi by 10. What is pi value? What is pi value? 180 degrees. Okay. So we know that pi is equals to 180 degrees. Pi is equal to 180 degrees. So cos pi by 10 is equals to cos of pi 180 divided by 10, that is nothing but cos 18 degrees. Cos 18 degrees. And cos of 3 pi by 10 is equals to cos of 3 into 180 by 10. 180 by 10. Okay. So that is equals to here 3 into 18. 3 into 18. How much it is? How much, ma? 54 degrees. 54 degrees. Okay. And the next value is cos of 7 pi by 10. Cos of 7 pi by 10. This is equals to cos of 7 into pi is 180 divided by 10. 180 by 10. Okay. Here also 7 into 18. 7 into 18, that is cos. How much it is? 7 into 18 degrees.
126.
126. Okay. So 126 can we convert into any other form? Cos of 90 plus how much? Or 180? What is easy? 90 plus 34. And if you take 180? 180 minus 54. Yes. Okay. So that is when we have 180 degrees for cos, we replace with the cos only. Cos 54 and 180 minus theta, second quadrant, we get minus. We get minus sign. Okay. 180 minus theta, all silver teacups. Okay. 180 minus theta is second quadrant. In second quadrant, we get the negative sign for cos. Okay. All silver, sine and cosecant positive. Next one is cos of 9 pi by 10. 9 pi by 10, that is cos of 9 into pi is 180 by 10. 180 by 10. Yes, 0, 0 we can cancel. 9 into 18. How much it is? Cos of 90 and 72. Okay, so that is 162. Okay. What we can write? 162, 90 plus 72 or 180 minus 80 degrees. 180 minus 80 degrees. Okay. When we have 180 for cos, we get cos only. Cos 18, 180 minus the second quadrant cos is negative. Okay. So 18 and 54. Okay. So now substitute all these values in the LHS. Okay. Now LHS is equals to, now LHS is equals to 1 plus cos pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10. This is equals to 1. Okay, are we right in the next page? Okay, 1 plus cos 5 by 10 is 18 degrees. It is 18 degrees. 1 plus cos 18 degrees. 1 plus cos 18 and 1 plus cos, next one is 54, right? Next value is minus 54 minus 18. Okay, and 1 plus means 1 plus of minus, 1 minus cos 54 and 1 plus of minus, 1 minus cos 18. Okay, now here we can apply the formula a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Okay, for these two. Okay, so what is the formula for a plus b into a minus b? That is a square minus b square. I am going to apply this formula now. If you apply here, then 1 plus cos 18, 1 minus cos 18. That is 1 square minus cos square 18 and 1 square minus cos square 54. Okay, so 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, that is sin square 18 into sin square 54. Sin square 18 into sin square 54. Okay, so the value of sin square 18 is root 5 minus 1 divided by 4, and the value of sin 54 is root 5 plus 1 divided by 4, and we have whole square. Okay, now apply the square for the numerator as well as denominator. If you apply the square in the numerator as well as denominator, then we get it as root 5 minus 1 whole square divided by 4 square and into root 5 plus 1 whole square divided by 4 square. Okay, then we get it then okay, a minus b whole square formula, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab 2 into root 5 into 1 and whole divided by root 4 square is 16 and root 5 plus 1 is root 5 whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into root 5 into 1, that is 2 into root 5 only, divided by 4 square is 16. Okay, so root 5 whole square is 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5, and here also 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 whole divided by 16 into 16. They are in multiplication, so we can multiply here. Okay, so 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 minus 2 root 5 into 6 plus 2 root 5. Can we take anything common? 2 and 2 common. We can take 2 and 2 common. So if we take 2 common here, 2 3 times 3 minus root 5, and again 2 common in this, 3 plus 2 root 5. Okay, whole divided by 16 into 16. Okay, we can cancel here. 2 8 times 16 and 2 4 times 16. 2 4 times 8. Okay, now in the numerator, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 3 square minus root 5 whole square divided by 4 into 16. 4 into 16 is remaining. 3 square is 9, square root cancel here for this. So 9 minus 5. Okay, then it becomes 9 minus 5 divided by 4 into 16. Okay, what is 9 minus 5? 4. 4 divided by 4 minus 4 into 16. we can cancel this 4 and 4. 4 and 4. Okay, so then we get it as 1 by 16. Okay, so what we have to prove? We have to prove that it is equals to 1 by 16. Equal to 1 by 16. Are we getting the answer?
Yeah.
Yes, this is the required RHS. Okay, hence 4. Okay, so what formula we used? Just once again, briefly, we'll see the formula what we used here. Okay, so here phi is equals to 180 degrees. After that, okay, so we simplified. Okay, and 180 minus theta and 180 minus theta. So just write it correctly. Okay, this including the sign here, and after that we substituted. After that we substituted, and then a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square formula. And one more important thing is sine 18 degrees root 5 minus 1 divided by 4. Okay, and sine 54 degrees root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. Okay, the values whatever we have. Okay, so if you want, we write here. Okay, so the values sine 18 degrees is equals to sine 18 degrees is equals to root 5 minus 1 divided by 4, and sine 54 degrees is equals to root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. Okay, just we substituted the values. We substituted these two values here, and after that we applied the a plus b whole square a minus b whole square formula in the numerator. Took 2 common and again applied a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square formula, and just simplified, cancelled the 4 and 4. We are getting the final answer. For more educational videos on intermediate, CBSE, ISC, BITSAT, EAMCET, IIT-JEE, please like, share with your friends, and subscribe and activate the bell icon for getting the all notifications so you never miss any notification. Thank you for watching. Have a great preparation.